In this video, I'll be reviewing this Logitech G502 Hero gaming mouse. So this is the latest version of the Logitech G502 gaming mouse, which is the Hero version. In my review, I'll be doing the following. First, I will be unboxing this mouse. Then I'm gonna show you a little bit the build quality of the mouse and the buttons and the controls on the mouse. And then I'm gonna connect it to my PC and play some Fortnite with it and show you how it will perform in gaming. And then of course I'm gonna talk a little bit about the specifications of this mouse, and I'm gonna show you how you can install the Logitech Hub software that controls this mouse. So let me first start by unboxing it. So this is the mouse. In the package, you have on top of the mouse, you have like the Logitech gaming logo, some papers, also warranty and stuff. And these are weights for the mouse. I'm gonna show you later how you can install the weights in the mouse. So this is, if you want like to feel the mouse heavier, you can distribute the weights. So this is a mouse. It looks really nice. It is really well in the hand. So it has a braided cable, which is a very good thing. It is thin and it's really manual. So I think it will last. It will last a long time. So let me talk a little bit first about the weights that you saw that were in the package. So these are magnetic weights. You can open the package like this, and they are installed on the bottom of the mouse. So simply pull this like this, you can open it, and then you can install the weights here. And the weights are installed mainly if you want like to feel the mouse heavier, if you prefer it heavier, because the mouse in itself, I think it's 125 or 128 grams. So it's not very heavy. But it's not really very light also, so it's very good. So if you want to add weights to it, these are the weights. You can just put them like this, and each weight is 3.8 grams, so you can add as much weights as you want. For me, I prefer not to add any weight, so I'm gonna remove it. And to install the door, simply put it like this, and it is magnetic. It installs very easily. So the mouse has many buttons, and all of these buttons are programmable with the Logitech Hub software. So this is one button, this is here. Like this is mainly the back and forward for your browser. And this is a button, 1, 2, and there's a third one here. And you have this button, you have the wheel, and this is a left click. And this is the DPI settings button. So this mouse can go up to 16,000 DPI. I mean, this is too much DPI in my opinion. I use it like in the lowest settings of DPI. I like it like this, but everyone uses it the way he or she likes it. And this is a scrolling wheel. You notice that the scrolling wheel has sticks to it, but if you wanted to scroll faster, you can simply click this button here. And now the wheel, look how it scrolls. I'm gonna show you. So it scrolls like without any resistance. But if you press this one, it has resistance. I don't know about the wheel. I don't like it very much. I mean, it can scroll like this, and it feels a little bit not sturdy. But I think this is not a very big deal. So let me show you now up close the ticks of the button. So listen carefully for each button. I'm gonna bring my microphone close so that you can hear it. The buttons really have a nice weight to them, and for gaming I think they are very good. One last thing before switching to the computer, it's a very nice touch of Logitech to put here like a rubber handle. So the mouse really feels good in the hand and it doesn't slip. And these rubber handles give it like also an elegant look and a very functional also look. So let me connect the mouse now to my computer and show you how it lights up. And you notice like the Logitech logo here, it lights up. And you can customize it with the Logitech Hub software. So let me now launch Fortnite and show you how this mouse performs in the gaming. So to install the Logitech Hub software, open your web browser and then go to this website, logitechg.com/support/G502-hero. And here in the website, click on Downloads. And you see here Logitech G Hub. Just click on Download Now. And the software starts downloading. So when the download finishes, just launch the software. So here I'm going to click on Open File. Let me minimize Edge. And now click on Yes if prompted. And then click on Install. I'm going to cut this video and come back when the installation finishes. So when you receive this message, just click here on the arrow and then click on Launch G Hub. Here you can make a choice that if you want to send information to Logitech or no. I'm going to click I don't want to send any information. So I clicked I'll decide later and then click on Decide Later and then click on Got it. So as you see, it detected the mouse and this is the mouse. If you click on it, and here you can customize it like you want. So these are the DPI settings that you want to put here. You can customize it here. You can also assign the buttons here. You see you have all these buttons that you can assign. You can assign macros to them. You can assign whatever you want. And here you have the lighting menu and you can customize the light of the mouse like you want. At the end, let me give you my opinion on what I like and what I don't like about this mouse. So first of all, what I like about this mouse is that it is really well built. You feel it like it is of a good quality. And I like the fact that you can customize the hardware. And this is like rare in mice these days. I don't think that other mice have this feature. And also, I like the fact that it has here rubber sidings. It feels really good. And it is really precise. And I like the fact that also you can customize the buttons with the Logitech Hub software. What I don't like about this mouse is only one thing, and it is the scrolling wheel. I mean, even if you push this button in and you feel the scrolling wheel, it is a little bit loose. I feel it a little bit loose. So this is what I don't like. And if you remove it, of course, you're free to remove it. But even with this button, I don't like it. So this is all for this review of this Logitech G502 Hero mouse. I hope that my review will help you in your decision of purchasing this mouse or in your decision of purchasing another mouse. I personally like it and I use it for gaming mainly. So I want to thank you all for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.